there any that anyone is ready to schedule?
I have one, and ideally, I'd like to schedule it October 1st because that's when the woman Denise Campbell would be able to come. It's an AVID presentation from the AVID State Director Denise Campbell. Just kind of give information since so many of our, and the rationale behind it, because so many of our high schools and surrounding areas have AVID programs that may serve our students and teachers to have those skills as well.
Okay. And just as an FYI to the board, I will not be present at the meeting on October 15th.
Ooh, I will not either.
I won't either.
Well, that is, we're not allowed to have debate or discussion about this.
No meeting.
So if you have meetings that you know in advance that you are not going to be at, please notify the administration of that. I think in 5 years, that's my first time I remember us not having quorum. No. On the other hand, I'm also planning on traveling to the Middle East, so if it gets canceled on its own, maybe we'll still do it. So we will have to move the quarterly budget to either October 1st or to the first meeting in November. So I'll leave that to the administration based on when it has to come.
So I'd like to, if we can add an agenda item and if we can determine if it fits on the first, that would be wonderful. But to bring back the conversation about teacher retention as well as where we are with staffing. I know during our conversations, at least my conversation with Dr. Boyle, we're already seeing some changes in staffing. And so I'd like an update on the changes in staffing for our schools, as well as maybe, I know we had recommendations from the retention committee, some of which we began to already start to focus on and implement, others of which I think might be a good opportunity to have a conversation. And then if I could also ask for, whenever we schedule that meeting, I know I've also heard that we have teachers who have returned to Creighton after having left the district. And so if we could have some kind of data about the number of those teachers and at what sites they're they're employed, because I'd like to, at that meeting, maybe have a conversation around how we might be able to use those returning teachers to the district as a part of our strategy for retention.
Okay, and we'll get back to Dr. Lupo.
Yes, I will gladly look forward for you.
Okay. Are there any other future agenda items? Because if not, I will entertain a motion to adjourn.
I move the governing board adjourned.
Second.
Moved and seconded, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. We are adjourned.